Hello everyone, welcome to the channel of Kanak Info Systems. In this video, I am going to show you how to use search panel feature in Odoo. If you may have noticed the handy filters and categories in a left sidebar of apps like employees, inventory, see, like this. Same way in inventory, stock, see, the all categories, that's called search panel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to implement it in your own model.
So we will take an example of library.book model. Let's say we have a book with the following fields. Also, we have a library.category model. We want to allow users to filter book usually by their categories and rating from the sidebar. We have a list and form view of this model. Now let's see the search view. Here, the search panel tag create a sidebar. It must be placed inside the search view and contain one or more fields element. Here we add a name equals to category ID. This is the field which we are filtering. It must be many to one selection field or any many to many field. Here icon which adds a filter icon next to the sidebar of the fields label. Here enable counter. This shows the number of records. In our case it indicating how many books are in that category. Here select equals to multi. This lets us to select more than one category at a time. Without this it is a single select. Now here we are using a rating field which is a selection field, and we also add a user star icon and set a custom color using a color attribute. So now user can filter book with their rating and category using a just a click. In a search view, we add some other fields which is into the top of the search bar. They are not the part of the search panel, but they are work in parallel. So this add a clickable button at list view to filter the record. So now let's see what actually happens in UI. As soon as we open the list view of book model, you will notice something new on a left side. This is our search panel sidebar. Here we can see all the values from the field which we added to the search panel, category ID and their ratings. As you can see here, we have several books in with their categories. So in a left side, we'll notice all the categories of theirs and their ratings. We can select like this by their category. This filter the record by their categories in multiple categories. And here the rating is only the single select. So see, like this. Each item will show a counter likes 1 and 2 because we add a and enable counters. This is very helpful for users who don't like a writing filters manually. But make sure the search panel used for the fields like many to one selection and many to many fields. It work great in Kanban and list view, pivot view, not in a form view. That's it all about Odoo's search panel feature. If you like this video and found it helpful, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Odoo tutorials. Thanks for watching.